All right, I'm about to walk through the clubhouse. I had to put on a mask. I mean, it's just the variant, you know, they're just really being protected against it, which totally makes sense. You know, COVID kind of making a little bit of a resurgence here. A lot of things are shut down, and this beach, you know, sometimes you have it all to yourself. So just wait for it. I'm gonna take you through, and I'll turn the camera around. There's the entrance. You'll see it open up just a little bit. I have to walk by and say good morning to everybody here. They kind of know me now, so. Hey, how you doing? All right. Wait for it. There it is. Look at that. Right? I mean, really? Really? There's like nobody there. Yeah, there's one person up there. That's not going to work. I'm going to have to ask her to leave. Okay. I'm going to find my people and get in that water. It's a nice walk. It's an easy walk. It's all downhill, but yeah, this kind of humidity. By the time you get here, it's only like 5 minutes. We're ready to get in. A few more. Look at the bar. Oh my God, it's so funny. All right, all good. Jumpy Productions. All right, just can't help it. One more. Look at that. That's the beach. That's Jay. It's all the recreational stuff. I shot the catamaran yesterday. Amazing. 2 hours. We should get some snorkeling. It's good. All good. These guys are actually clearing the seaweed at the bottom. Man, that's pretty entitled. I don't know. But I'll go with it. Let's see what's going on here. Probably talking about me. Yeah, I'm sure they are. What else would they be talking about? All right, Jumpy Productions.